This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Open Settings and go straight to Battery and Performance to see real-time drain and recent usage. Once done, tap Battery Usage to identify heavy apps and get an initial sense of wear. Make sure to install a Qoo battery. It measures actual mAh and estimates health over time. You don't need to reboot. Begin logging immediately by enabling the app and granting usage permission, so it can collect accurate charging and discharge data during your normal use. Now run a controlled test. Charge to 100%, then use the phone normally until about 15% and charge again. A Qoo battery logs mAh per cycle, so you can estimate actual capacity. While stressing the phone, monitor temperature. If it exceeds about 45 degrees C, you'll see abnormal wear. Once you have a few cycles, compare the logged average mAh to the original rated capacity to calculate percent health. This shows you how much capacity the battery has lost and why you might see shorter run times. Finally, interpret what you recorded. If measured capacity falls below about 80% or the pack shows swelling or extreme heat, plan a replacement. That's when performance degrades noticeably. If values seem off, calibrate once by charging to 100% and discharging to around 5% to reset reporting. Make sure to clear system cache or boot into safe mode to rule out rogue apps. If a Qoo battery still reports wildly inconsistent numbers, reinstall it and repeat tests before making any hardware decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.